Inkululeko my brother ithi sicale sibulisela abantu sila sikhona yibo. Hey bafethu, keep supporting Diski TV, won't disappoint, straight to the point. My brother Nkululeko very disappointed ngale tsotsi uMalema kusho ukuthi noZuma. My brother, why it? Simple question, why it? Why be change amahiwu? Ingwenya bezazi sichaya amahiwu. Why it, my brother? Why bo change? My brother, I don't care who says what, but iqiniso kusho ukuthi iculture bayilahlile, kusho ukuthi philosophy ayisekho. My brother, kusho ukuthi structure asikho. Very disappointed. I don't care who says what, but reality kusho ukuthi le meeting beyingekho balanced. My brother, I don't care who says what, but iqiniso Nkululeko kusho ukuthi very disappointed.